Hello, guys. Have you heard what has been happening? And the good news, everybody's happy about Poland. You know, like we always say, everybody wants a place that is cheap, wants a country that will give us return of investment, because there's no point leaving your country to a country where you will not get things in return. That is where Poland comes in. Poland has many jobs. Yes, graduate jobs, and there's a graduate working visa that is free with visa sponsorship. You can come to Poland and look for job, or you stay in your country and look for job and come to Poland. So whatever it is, we'll be talking about it, discussing about it, telling you what you need to get, telling you the companies that are recruiting for these jobs, graduate jobs. And again, the industries that are on their knees asking you people to come in and take some jobs so that the economy can be boosted. So this gets us to somewhere. Now, Poland is in Europe. If you don't know, they have Poland. Poland as a country has Belarus. I don't know whether you've heard of that country. I think it's in Europe, or yeah, Belarus is in Europe, but they are not under EU for some reason because of their affiliation with Russia. So Belarus, they are close to Belarus, close to Ukraine, close to other countries down there. You can see it in the map. So, but one thing is that Poland is a hard-working country. It is not a place where you will not see job. There are jobs there because they are opening up their economy for migrants and for technology or tech information innovation, or or artificial intelligence innovation, whatever. They just announced that they will be employing thousands of technocrats and tech people to come to their country and help them, stabilize that industry. So I don't know whether you are a graduate, but if you have a vocational training, you can still apply. If you are a graduate looking for a job, you can still apply. And if you are looking for a job in Europe, you have a job, but you're looking to migrate, or you have a tech skills that you need to go to Poland and showcase, then this is the video for you. Just wait for me, and I'll be back after the short break to tell you how to start moving. Hello, welcome back. If you're going to Poland, your employer need to write a letter to their immigration center inside their country to say that they have seen somebody, they have seen, let me say your name is Mr. John Suleiman, that they have seen Mr. John Suleiman, he's a hard worker, they have interviewed you, and you have accepted to do the job. Look at how much we'll be paying Mr. Suleiman. Look at the way Mr. Suleiman said that he's okay with it. Look at this and that. That's what makes a contract. So they will submit that contract to the Home Office. There's a Polish embassy in many countries in Africa. I know that Polish embassy is in Poland, or Polish embassy is in Nigeria, and they will now send those contracts to that embassy where you are. Then you will now print a form for that work permit visa or job seekers visa to say that you have accepted a job and you are looking for a visa to come to Poland. Then look at where it gets interesting. With Poland, They want you to have some skills and prove that you have that skills. So while going for your visa interview, you will need to prove that you are a graduate. And this is where I want to advise on something. There are many things in the European Union and the forgery going on. I don't know. But please go with your original certificate. They are not keen whether you have third class or pass. They are keen that if you can pass interview, your what your grade don't matter. So don't go and start forging something. So if you pass interview, you've been taken, nobody will judge you. The visa people will not judge you with your this. Most of them, most of them have third class as well or pass. So it is not a big deal. So now you will take your original certificates, you will have a valid passport, you will have criminal record that is clean. Please, if you're from Nigeria, we get our criminal record in police force. Check any police station close to you where you live and go there. I think Cameroon said the same thing that they get from the police and the Ghana. I don't know. One of them said so. If you're from Tanzania, Kenya, Uganda, Malawi, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Burundi, Lesotho, Botswana, South Africa, Kenya, Uganda, Sierra Leone, Liberia, Senegal, Congo. If you're from any of these countries, please, can you live where you get your criminal record, your travel insurance, the company that offer travel insurance and medical insurance under this video, please. It has been some people just from anywhere. They ask me a question. I live in UK. I don't know where you get it, but I hope that people watching this will help me, leave a comment that they get it somewhere so that I can make a detailed in the group to tell you where you can get it with their phone numbers or email. Please leave a contact as well. So if you're from there, then leave where you get your criminal record, your medical and travel insurance from your country, so that we can share with others that are getting it, that don't have the information. So you need all those things. Then you will now apply and go for the interview. And I know you're intelligent and you will be successful in your interview. You will be successful in your interview. Then the next thing you will do is this. You will now wait for your visa. It is successful and you now start going. But before then, before you start applying for visa, let's look at the recruitment firms recruiting for those jobs that you need to apply, or the kind of jobs and the specification if you want to apply for the visa, job seekers visa, for Poland. So you will see the websites in this screen. Please, is in this screen I leave websites. So just copy the website, put it in your Google search engine. It will come up with the kind of jobs, or the, many jobs. Then you will now choose the one you have skill, you have the skill to do. Then you apply, or you prepare and apply for your job. When you apply for the job, you can now apply for your visa, because whether you get the job or you didn't get the job, there's graduate visa. You don't need a job. You can find a job when you come to when you go inside the Poland. So you can say that there are many, you are a data scientist, and there are many data scientists, there are many people recruiting data scientists, and you know that you can get a job. Look at, you have this to pay for your accommodation in this place, or you have paid. Look at, you have this money to buy your flight ticket. Look at, you have these stipends to take you on for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months to get job and settle. That is it. It's as simple as that. And you can do this for yourself. And when you apply, I want to beg you for something, because somebody missed her interview. You apply for a job in Portugal, and they invited you for interview. You didn't read your email. It passed, and you write them. They said they have filled the vacancy. Please, all these jobs you see online is very competitive. There might be 20 people applying for this one job, and if you are given an interview, it's a very, very good step that recruiters are noticing you, that your CV is okay, your cover letter is convincing. That is what it shows. Please read your email in the morning and in the night before you go to bed. That is the way we do it, so that you keep up with your mails and answer them, reply them. So when you wake up in the morning, read your email. When you go to bed, read your email. So in this screen, you have seen the recruitment firms recruiting jobs in Poland, recruiting foreigners in Poland. And when you apply, chase your application. After 1 day, after 2 days, after 3 days, the 4th day, write them, or that you're checking on them to see whether they have received. Although they will tell you that they received, some of them have automatic reply. They will tell you that they have received your CV and all that. But what you can do is this: after that, tell them that you are just checking because you are desperately looking for a job, and you know that you have everything that they can offer and you will deliver. So that's how to follow them, so that they will know that you are ready for that job, and it will quicken them up to avoid them forgetting you. That is it. So you have to keep up with chasing them. So this is where I'll be ending this video for today, and I hope it will help you. If you have any question, the first comment in this section will take you to WTP. And if you cannot, by whatever means, people are saying that they cannot join with the link, I will start leaving my Telegram number for that group in the distance, so that you can find us with our number to the Telegram group, so we can tackle all your problems together. So stay fine and stay well, stay out of trouble. And this is me saying bye-bye. But don't forget, tell your family, your friends, your parents, your siblings, your colleagues, and your associates about Womiba Finance Channel. And this is where we'll get down with the tips straight away, and opportunities that are around the world for you, and to help you in your location journey and your financial planning. So I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.